This is Dr. B. We're going to divide 9 by 7. We're going to use long division, and this one's kind of a challenge. I'll show you why. So 9 divided by 7, you could think about this as 9 over 7. So we want to know how many times 7 goes into 9. So let's set it up. And let's give ourselves a little bit of room here. So 7 goes into 9 one time. 1 times 7 is 7. We subtract, we get 2. 7 doesn't go into 2, but we could call this 9.0. It's still 9. Just put a decimal point up here, because now we can bring the 0 down. 2 times 7 is 14. Subtract, we get 6. 7 doesn't go into 6, but put another 0 out here. 9.00, still 9. We can bring this down as long as we move over a decimal place. And 8 times 7, that's 56. Subtract, we get 4. Put another 0 here, bring that down, and we'll just move over a decimal place. And 5 times 7, that's 35. Subtract, bring that down, and we get 5. We could call that 50 here. And 7 times 7 is 49. And you can see this number, it just keeps going. So if you keep doing this, it'll just keep going. So let's stop there. Let's call it 1.25, round that up to 6. But if you want to be exact, you're going to have to keep going. This is Dr. B dividing 9 by 7. Thanks for watching.